Today on Lone Star Grillz, we're doing something a little different. If you're sick of the same old recipes, you've got to give this smoked pulled chicken a try. It's tender, juicy, goes great on sandwiches, tacos, or just piled high on its own. And some folks might even call it healthy. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be a hit at your next cookout. We'll start with about 4 pounds of trimmed chicken breast. Season these up generously with our south of the border rub, or you can use your favorite barbecue rub. Be sure to give these chicken breasts a complete coating on all sides. Next up, in a foil pan, we have 2 chopped onion, 2 chopped bell pepper, 1 jalapeno, and 3 cloves of garlic. Just add a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and once again, a generous coating of our south of the border rub. Then just get all that combined well. Now add about 2 cups of chicken broth and a few drops of your favorite hot sauce. We'll be doing today's cook on our Lone Star Grillz pellet smoker, the cooker that delivers offset quality results with the convenience of a pellet smoker. Preheat to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, get your chicken on the top shelf and your foil pan on the bottom. Then close the lid and begin cooking. The first part of this cook will take about 1 hour. This will allow us to get some good smoked flavor on everything, develop a good bark on the outside of the chicken, and get it up to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit in the center. Then get all the chicken in the foil pan with the vegetables, cover it with foil, and get it back on the smoker to tenderize. Approximately 90 minutes later, this will be pull-apart tender. Get it all pulled apart, mixed in with the veggies, cover it up, and get it back on the cooker to soak up that glorious flavor for about 1 more hour. Then just remove it from the smoker, give it a little while to cool, and serve it up just the way you like. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.